put, survivability science is the art of making images endure beyond their creation context. The philosophy here is that an image must survive compression, scaling, and reinterpretation without losing its core impact. The actionable insight is anticipating how visual information degrades and designing edits that remain legible under stress. You prioritize structural clarity over fragile finesse, ensuring the image communicates even when conditions are hostile. This discipline forces you to think beyond your screen and consider the full life cycle of the image. When survivability is built in, your work maintains authority across platforms and formats. By mastering this mindset, you stop creating images for ideal conditions and start creating images that hold their ground anywhere.